Hello everyone! Today, I will show you how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video up till the end to learn all about making a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, to sell on Etsy, you first need to create a digital planner. So in this tutorial, I'll be using Canva because it's user-friendly and offers a wide range of tools that you can use to your digital planner. Now first, create a design, and from the search bar, search for planner. Now it provides two options, so you can choose either of the two. Now the first thing that we need to do is to change the color of our background. So you can change the color of your background to this one. And here you can type the theme that you want for your planner. So make sure to choose a light color for your background. Now, after selecting the right color for your background, what we're going to do is to add some design to our background. So go to Elements and search for Background Patterns. And from here, we have a lot of choices, so make sure to choose the right design for your planner. You can choose wavy lines, straight lines, curvy lines, or grid lines. After choosing the right pattern for your background, make sure to fit into your page. And then after that, it's time to change its color. So click this color and then choose the right color for your background. So make sure to choose a light color, enable for you to create a good looking background. And then after that, click the lock button. And next, what we're going to do is to add now the text. Now, go to text section and then find the right text template for your planner. So I'm just gonna choose this one. And now after choosing the right template, replace the words to weekly planner. And then after that, make sure to adjust the size and then the position of your text template to your planner. Enable for you to add also the other elements to your page. After that, let's change the color of our text template. Click this text color, and from here, choose the right color that is suitable to your theme. You can now also search for the theme that you've used to your background. And now to change the color of the outline, click the Effects option. And here you'll be able to see the color. Now click on this one and click the plus button and click the droplet button and drag it to the color of the inner part of our text. Now from the wheel section of our color, drag it downwards, enable for it to make it darker. Darker outlines on text can greatly enhance readability and visibility, especially in designs with complex or busy backgrounds. You can also change the color of the first word. Just click the first text box and click the text color and choose a lighter one. And then after that, we're going to add other objects. Now go to Elements and then search for the word calendar. After that, go to Graphics. And then here we have a lot of options. So choose the best one that is suitable to your design or your theme. So I'm gonna choose this one. Now, next that we need to do is to search for rectangle object. Click the Add Rectangle And here it will be added to our page. So we need to resize it as same as the size of our calendar, and then change the position to backward. Now you want to make sure that your rectangle shape is not overlapping the calendar object, and make sure that it is same size as the calendar. And then after that, we're going to select the both object and click the group option. Now, if you want to change the color of the calendar, just click your object and then here select the color. And now you can choose the right color for your design. And if you want also to change the color of the rectangle object, you're gonna need to ungroup it first and then drag the calendar object away from the rectangle so you can select it. And now click the color button. And now you can choose the right color for your rectangle object. And then after that, we're going to add now a text to our calendar object. So go to text section and choose the right template that you want or that is suitable to your design. And now this is for the day Sunday. So I'm gonna type sun, short for Sunday, and I'll change the size and make sure to fit in to our object. And now we're going also to change its color. And then after that, I'm going to resize this. So I'm going to make it smaller so other elements can fit into our page. And then the next thing that you need to do is to copy and paste the same element 6 times more so we can complete the days in a week. So make sure also to change the position and adjust the spacing to each element. And then after that, you're going to change the words for each calendar from Monday to Saturday. And now that we're done to the first page, we're going to add another page. So just click the Add Page button. And now we're going to Elements section. Now we're going to add some lines to our page. So just simply search for notebook lines. So choose the elements that is suitable to your design. And then we're going again to add some text. So go to text section. Now you have to add a header for your to-do list. And we're going to add a design to our page. So go again to Elements section. And then search for pen and paper pattern. And now choose a pattern that is suitable to your liking and to your design, and then put it around to your page. Just make sure also to change the position of your added pattern to back of the text so that it won't cover the added text to our second page. Now, if you want to try this design, you can search for square and then change it to black color and then put it at the back of your header text. Now, this will gives you a design of a blackboard type. Now that we're done to this page, what you're going to do is just duplicate and then change the Sunday word to Monday and then so on and so forth. After doing that, go to your calendar icon and then go to link and then choose the slide corresponds to the day of your calendar. Now that we're done, we're now going to download this file and save it as PDF. Go to download option And then make sure to change the file type to PDF. And then finally, click the download button and just wait for it to download. And here is the output of our work. So if you click the days of our calendar, it will redirect us to the corresponding page, and then that's it. If you ever find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.